Okay, so welcome to another video. Today we're going to be talking about virtual metering. So in brief, in a lot of situations, you will have a main incoming supply. It could be the full supply to a site, or it might be a distribution board. And you might have a meter on that main supply because it's important to know what's going on. And then you'll have some sort of potentially larger distribution boards or parts of your distribution network where you'll have meters. So in this case, we've got a meter 1 on the main incomer, and then we've got meters 2, 3, and 4 on these distribution boards 1, 2, and 3. And the reason you may have done this is because actually you don't want to spend money on metering every single point in your factory or business or whatever it might be. So you've put meters on the bits that you care about. However, when you're analyzing everything, you still really would like to know what's going on maybe those other boards that account for maybe 10 or 20% of the residual that you haven't actually spent any money on metering for. So what we can do is we can create a virtual meter. So here we call that VM. So we want a virtual meter that will tell us what's going on distribution boards 4 and 5. So to do this, it's a fairly simple equation. What we'll do is we'll essentially say, right, the virtual meter at any moment in time is equal to meter 1, which is the main incomer, minus meter 2, minus meter 3, minus meter 4, because effectively all of those meters should add up to the main incoming supply total. So we can get that virtual meter value. So the way that we do this in our platform is as follows. So here's our platform, the Argand platform, and we're on data services at the moment, but what we can see down the side here is we can see meters, and we've got virtual energy. So what we can do is essentially create virtual energy meters. So we go to virtual energy. So what you can see here is I'm now in the virtual meter creation part of our platform. So we've created or added a new meter. We've given it to ourselves. We've chosen the location. We've given it a particular electricity tariff, and then we've given it a name. Now what we can do is effectively choose from all of the different meters, and we can say, right, well, I want to add this particular meter. I want to take away this meter. I want to take away this meter. And essentially we can build up a kind of simple equation of adding and subtracting different meters to effectively create the final cumulative value for that virtual meter. So what we have in the platform is the ability for you to create metering for parts of your network that you haven't got the capital to spend money on metering, or you just can't get metering in there for whatever physical constraints. And what we can do is actually give you a virtual reading to enable you to work out the power flows, the energy flows, and the costs associated with those. If you've got any questions, please give us a call. We think this is a really cool piece of functionality. We'd love to talk to you about it more and how it can help, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.